guys? Welcome back to another episode of Whorton Outdoors. So as you can see, we're out my driveway right now, and as you can see in the intro, we've got some new products I'm here to talk about today on the channel, and do a little unboxing and a little look over of the products. If you've been paying attention to my channel any at all, I did some shorts, and you saw a pile of boxes. Well, that's being because you know, Openroad had sponsored me here a while back, a 5-gallon tank and a shower awning on my Jeep there. And I reached out to them and I started talking to them about my trailer, my DIY Overland trailer. And they were more than happy to help me out with my trailer build. So Openroad sent me these boxes here that we're talking about today, and a multitude of other things that we're going to be going over on the channel in different videos. We'll be doing install videos on each one of those on the trailer. But today we're talking about the 102-liter storage cases and the 50-liter storage cases. And I'm going to give you a few little statistics on the case here as far as the measurements and everything. So if you have any interest in any of these cases, you can get this 50-liter case on their website right now. And I'm looking at their website. Was $249.99, and they've got it marked down to $209.99. And the measurements of this one is 12.5 inches tall. It's 24.8 inches in length this way. And then it is 14.5 inches this way. So very big boxes. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, and I'm not complaining about that at all. But in my head, I was picturing a gun box, you know. But these are very comparable to some of the expensive adventure cases that you can get, like the Roam cases and stuff. They do have these on their website as well, with the brackets that you can bolt onto your roof rack, and then you can quick disconnect these and all that. So they do have them on the site. I'm going to go over to those real quick, and I'm going to tell you about those. And I just figured I would do this right off of their website, so that way, you know, at the time of recording, this is what it is. These 102-liter boxes, just the case itself, we're looking at $299.99 for just the case on its own. And then if you want to get the brackets with it to mount it, it's $499.99 a piece. So far, just looking at it, they're very, very good quality constructed. Let me see if I can get you some measurements on these. And then we'll go over the box in a little more in depth. Okay, so lengthwise, we've got 50.4 inches. Height-wise, we've got 9.7 inches. And then depth-wise, we have 19.7 inches. So these things are huge. These things are massive, and we're going to dive deeper into that here in just a second. But I wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way and show you that. But I just want to say a big thank you to Openroad for sending me these boxes and all the other stuff. And so far, these things are amazing. And I can't wait to get them on the vehicle or trailer here and start using them. Either way, let's dive deeper into the 50-liter box first. So on the front of it, we've got these heavy-duty latches. I mean, these things are nice metal heavy-duty latches. And they have locking points right here, so you can put you a padlock on it or your lock of choice. On the side, we have spring-loaded handles. On the back, you do have these tie points right here. These are tie points right here that you can use your straps or whatever you want to tie it down with. There's also the tie points on the side right here. Now let's look inside it. In the top, we have a big heavy weather seal all the way around it to keep your water and your dust out of it. So it's dust proof and it's supposed to be waterproof. We're going to test that out because these things are going to live open right here on the trailer. So this thing's going to get the snow, it's going to get the ice, it's going to get all the water, the crossings, the mud that's going to throw up from the tires. you know, so they're going to get tested. On one more thing on the side. So if you do put stuff in here, and it's muddy or whatever you decide to put in here, it's got drain plugs on the side right here so that you can wash it out and then just let all the gunk rush out there. So as you can see here are the tie points that I was talking about. Now you're not going to run it across here. You're going to just run it up and then back down and then tie it down. Or over here, run it up and back down and tie it down. So it's not across anything and it's not messing up your weather seal. So that's the inside of these things. Very, very spacious. Don't really know exactly what I'm going to put in them just yet. But I know they seem very heavy duty. I mean, these things, they're solid. All right, the 102 liter cases. I've got 2 of them. Same latches, except for we just got 4 of them. This side over here, you've got a bottle opener for either any of you that like to partake in all that. We have the same drain plug right here, so if you want to wash it out. Same things on the side. We don't have the spring-loaded handles on the side. It's just an indentation for your hand to go there. And did you notice that? This one has shocks. So we have the shocks up in here to help it raise up. So it's on top of your vehicle. You can, you know, with the flip of your fingers, toss this thing up and get in here and get your stuff. And you don't have to worry about taking it off. So up here in the top, we've got our weather seal all the way around. So we are also waterproof, dustproof in this. So if you noticed on the other one, I wanted to show it to you in this one because I think you can see it a little bit better, but this is also in the other one. On the top here, you have these little nutserts right here that are all the way around. You can also buy a molly panel. It's a flat panel that'll bolt up here, and then you got the little indentions to run your strap down in so they come out, and you can tie your you know, if you want to put a medical pack up in here, or if you want to put other little packs to hold smaller stuff. I wouldn't put any big packs on there because then it's going to go down in your box and take up your storage space. But I don't have those. I think that'd be a cool addition for you know, if you have a little pack or something. But this right here is the same situation. We've got the same tie down points right here that go through on the back and on the sides right here. And these are very robust, very seems to be very high quality, and at the fraction of the cost of what those Roam cases are, and in any of those other cases that you can think of. But crazy expensive on those. But these right here are very affordable, and they just I'm just glad to have them. I'm glad to be able to put them in use on my trailer, and there's going to be so much more that you guys are going to get to see go on this trailer. It's going to be completely changed in the next couple days, so I'm pretty happy about that. But these things, as far as how I'm going to use these cases, they're going to go up here on this platform, and they're going to end up living up there in some way, shape, or form. Let's throw it up there. Just so you guys can see how big these things are. This is a 6-foot truck bed trailer. Just so you can see how big these things are against the trailer size. But these things, I think that they're going to work. They're going to work well. I'd like to know what you guys think about these cases as well. If you wanted to throw your comments down in the comments section, I would love to hear you guys' comments on these. And also, if you have one, I'd like to know what you guys use yours for. and how you secure it down if you don't have the brackets to tie them down. Guys, so that is the Openroad's 102 liter storage box and the 50 liter storage box. If you guys think that you have any interest in one of these, head over to their website, and if you would, go ahead and use my code. I'll have a 10% discount code to get you an additional 10% off of what they already have their products discounted for on the site. And to be honest with you, they've got some really good deals going on over there right now. So if you want one of these, go ahead and head over there and take a look. My discount code, I'll flash up on the screen somewhere in this general direction here, and it'll also be in the description down below. And I also have all of the other products that I'm affiliated with down there in the description below with their associated discounts. So if you have any interest in any of that stuff, head down there and take a look. But either way, this is how I'm going to use it for right now. The trailer might have another rendition coming up as far as the storage is concerned, but this is how she's going to be used right now. And that's it. I'm done for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you would. The algorithm needs that to push my videos out. Also, hit the subscribe button. Believe it or not, it really helps the channel out, and the analytics show that I'm up in the 90% people that are watching the videos but don't subscribe. So it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't lock you into anything. It just helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out and get my content out to other people. Either way, to you that have subscribed, thank you. Here's to you. And guys, get off the couch. Don't be a couch potato. We'll see you on this next video.